Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. These are general collective readings, Sagittarius. Will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Sagittarius, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, and if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, 6 of Wands, 8 of Wands, the Chariot, Page of Swords, Knight of Wands, center of my spread, the Tower, 10 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, and the 2 of Swords. Back of my deck, I have the 7 of Cups in reverse. So some decision has been made, or somebody is coming out of some kind of a confusion. Maybe dealing with a very immature energy here, realizing that as much as I think you or your person wanted to have victory in this connection, wanted forward movement, but certain things have been found out now about this person, which has been like a tower moment. There is right now no feeling of emotional happiness, lack of working together, and some decisions are getting made. Sagittarius, before I clarify these cards, let me start with some dialogue message cards. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Okay, let's take a couple more from here. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius spirit and their person, thank you. And I'm going to take a few from here. That's it. All right, thank you. Let's start your reading, Sagittarius. Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. Like I said, somebody was dealing with a very immature energy, somebody who turned out to be kind of playerish, in and out, never doing the right thing, never committing. Why do you hide your pain from me? You know that I can see right through you. Our souls are entwined and reflect each other deeply. If you would only talk with me, I could help support your healing, and that would help heal me too. We're getting older and wasting precious time playing these dumbass runner-chaser games. Let's level the F up already. Are we doing this or what? Somebody is dealing with somebody who has not been making a decision here, and yes, maybe if they don't, then a decision is going to be made for them here, Sagittarius. And this card came out earlier, I think in the Leo reading as well. With all that's going on in the world, I think people are coming to that realization that time is precious. Let's just stop playing games and just do the right thing already. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to that all-consuming love I have for you. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. Some tower moment here. Something blew up. I want to hold you and never let go. Oh, that's the tower moment. My feelings for you are platonic. All right, Sajis, if this is close to your story now, let's take an angel blessing card first to see what blessing we can get, and then we'll clarify this spread here. Blessing, advice, guidance, or a message for my Sagittarius, please. Higher education. This could have been a karmic lesson, Sagittarius. Something that you had to learn from a situation, or maybe you had to teach your person something. I don't know what it is. You all will have a different storyline, right? But whatever this dynamic seems to be here was probably a lesson. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Six of Wands, Spirit. What's the Six of Wands? Somebody really wanted victory in this connection. There was a feminine energy, I think, who wanted commitment, who wanted to win, who wanted to be seen as somebody who was worth the respect they needed. Yeah, somebody really wanted to have victory in this connection as the Empress, become maybe the wife, or be seen as somebody who was important in this connection. But the other person may have communicated that they wanted to remain single and didn't want to fight for this connection. Yes, this connection has either come to a halt. Chariot, Spirit. Chariot. Chariot. Yes, somebody was dealing with somebody who was very unemotional, somebody who was quite cutting with their words, maybe said it the way they felt, and maybe that the way what they must have said could have been, hey, I am not, on the same page as you. I'm ending this chapter. I want to be single, and maybe took off. One more. Yeah, somebody was holding back from giving 100% to this connection here, Sagittarius. Page of Swords, Spirit. Page of Swords. I don't think this Empress is kind of like given up yet. They are still keeping a watch on this masculine who has, I think, who's holding back. There's probably distance between the two of you, or certain things have been said which were not the nicest about. But this Empress is still keeping a watch on this masculine because they feel this connection really makes them very, very happy at some level. Yes, they're still waiting for the truth and clarity. I don't think this Empress believes it's over. I don't think this Empress has kind of acknowledged that this connection can get over, because it seems so powerful and so strong and gives so much happiness. I think this Empress is still waiting. But there is a Knight of Wands center of my spread which tells me this person is a bit inconsistent. Knight of Wands, Spirit. Yes, they are playing games. They're playing mind games. They like it the way they want it. They always they create tower moments. They maybe heal this connection and then blow it up, and they heal this connection and then blow it up. It's like a constant cycle of building up the tower and then blowing it up. This is this person's way of keeping control. They like to have the last word. They like to be the one who's always the winner in the situation. And each time I think things are good, things are very good, and when they're bad, they are really ugly. So that's confused this Empress here as to, completely let this go either. That is right now, I don't think there's any emotional happiness here. 10 of Cups. Yes, see, no emotional happiness. 10 of Cups is in reverse, which is emotional happiness, with the 10 of Swords. So somebody is feeling very betrayed, very hurt, that maybe somebody said, okay, that we can't work together now. 3 of Pentacles, Spirit. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. 3 of Pentacles. Oh, Even though things are not working out, Sagittarius, I do feel somebody is, or maybe the both of you are still keeping a watch on each other. More so this Empress, who's still waiting, somewhere waiting to, knowing that one day the conflict will end and we'll come to a place of peace once again, and waiting for that day so that they can stop worrying and stressing about this, whatever's happened. I think this has gone on too many times, and each time you guys break up and make up. So this Empress is, I think, still waiting. So what's this Two of Swords, Spirit, in reverse? Two of Swords in reverse. Yes, somebody's at crossroads. Somebody is still at crossroads. Somebody is still waiting. Even though some decision seems to have been made, I don't think it's been acknowledged. I think somebody has said something or is going to say something which is going to be clear cut, to say, hey, I don't want this anymore, but I don't think the other person is ready to believe that. They are still waiting, still seeing when it's going to be coming back, I think. One more, Spirit, for the Two of Swords in reverse. Yes, this is, you're dealing with a player here. This person is never going to commit. Consider it, a spiritual lesson. Somebody is waiting for a decision from a player. Listen to your intuition, Sagittarius. Somebody is not listening to their intuition at all. We'll get deeper next time, Sagittarius. But till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.